Hi everyone, I'm Sherry and welcome to Make It New with Walmart. Today I'm going to show you how to make this upcycled dresser drawer into an under the bed storage container. Let's get started. You'll need Waverly Inspirations Chalk Paint in Ocean, Folk Art chalkboard paint. You'll need a large 1.5 inch paintbrush and a Waverly Inspirations Chalk Paint brush, 4 caster wheels. You're going to need 16 bolts and 16 nuts, and you'll also need a drill. Okay, so you're going to take your wheel. You want to make sure that you're not going to run into the side piece of your drawer. So you want to give it a little space over. Mark it with your pencil, your holes. And now I'm going to drill my holes. And next we're going to go ahead and insert our bolts. Once you have your bolts in place, you're going to go ahead and secure them with your nuts. Next I'm going to remove the hardware. I'm going to be using Waverly Inspirations Chalk Paint to paint this dresser drawer. All I've done to paint the drawer is to make sure that it is clean and dry. Brush it right on. It has great coverage, and I love this ocean blue. I'm using this Waverly Inspirations Chalk Paint brush because it holds a lot of paint and it makes my project go by much faster. Now I'm going to paint this center molding piece with Folk Art chalkboard paint. I'm finished with all the painting. Now I'm going to show you how to use your chalkboard. So first we're going to condition the chalkboard by just rubbing chalk all over it. And what this will do, this will keep you from having those like ghost lines when you go to write and erase on your chalkboard. Now we're just going to remove it. And now we just label the container. We're going to put linens in here. And there you go. You have an under the bed storage container. For more inspiration, go to plaidonline.com.